So, hello everyone. So, today I am going to discuss further about the Nernst equation, and today we are going to solve certain problem based on the Nernst equation also. Before going to the numericals based on the Nernst equation, three topics I have to cover, small topics are there. First topic I will cover is different form of Nernst equation. Okay. And third topic, when I was teaching you the standard hydrogen electrode, at that time I forgot you to teach one topic. That small topic was representation of an hydrogen electrode, whether it is an inert side or whether it is on cathode side. Clear? Chalo. So, first you make a heading, different form of Nernst equation of different form of Nernst equation. Okay, first consider an equilibrium reaction A moles of A plus B moles of B gives C moles of C and D moles of D. Clear? So, for this you have to write down the Nernst equation directly, need not to derive, directly remember the formula. So, Nernst equation for the equilibrium reaction, and that reaction will answer is E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF minus RT upon NF ln K. So, this is the Nernst equation for the equilibrium reaction, where K, I can say here, where K is equilibrium constant. And how to derive this K, you have studied in equilibrium chapter. Clear? So, I can further improve this equation, like E cell equal to E naught cell minus R means 8.314. Okay, T, this all value I have discussed in my last video. So, I have put the value of R, T and F. So, I got this much value as 0.059 upon N. Okay, by putting this ln as 2.303 log to the base 10, everything value have substituted, and I got 0.059 by N, and this you know how. And this K is nothing but equilibrium constant, and equilibrium constant by writing wow, concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So, this is your final Nernst equation based on the equilibrium reaction. Write down this. Number of questions we will solve based on this, not a issue. Clear? So, this is one equation. This is another form also I can write down, E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln concentration of C upon concentration of D upon concentration of A and concentration of B. This is also Nernst equation, clear, of the equilibrium constant. Write down this. नहीं थे से मारा थी. So, I hope written. Chalo, we will see the next form, another form. So, this was the first. So, another form in terms of a Gibbs free energy. You know Gibbs free energy, when there is a negative, the work is spontaneous. When the work is positive, the work is spontaneous, work is non, this all you know the condition from thermodynamics, clear. So, here usually the work is spontaneous only, clear. So, I am deriving the cell potential, standard cell potential in terms of K by using the Gibbs free energy, clear. So, there is another form also. First in that equation will be, as you know from thermodynamics, delta G 0 equal to minus RT ln, no, thermodynamics means minus RT, no, minus NFE not cell, NFE not cell. This is I am talking from thermo. So, delta G 0 equal to minus NFE not cell, this is from thermodynamics, and from equilibrium also you have studied delta G 0 equal to minus RT ln K, this is from equilibrium. See, actually the formula is delta G equal to minus NFE cell, yes or no? This is also correct, this is also correct. This 0 indicate standard state, that is it. You know that 0 indicates what here? Standard state. So, minus NFE not cell. Now, when I equate these two reactions, when I equate these two equations, so delta G is minus NFE not cell and delta G 0 equal to minus RT ln K. When I equate these two, so I get as minus NFE not cell equal to minus RT ln K. This minus minus get cut. So, you get the answer as E naught cell equal to RT ln K upon NF. When you put the value of R, T, ln and F, you get the answer as 0.059 upon N log to the base 10 K. So, this is the again relation between E naught cell and equilibrium constant K, or I can write down as Kc. Write down this. So, that equation, if when to use that equation, both the equations are similar only, but that equation you have to use when they have given equilibrium reaction, and this equation when the Gibbs free energy. Similar questions are there, similar equations are there. When I solve the problem, at that time we will come to know. Write down this. Clear? Clear this part? Chalo. So, now I am going to discuss the next portion, and that portion is representation of gaseous electrode. Clear? See, a small topic. Actually, I am in a mood of doing numericals today, but I will do certain previous thing because I forgot to do, and that videos which are not suitable to you, in that videos I have done, but 2-3 things are left, then I will do it, then I will start the problem, do not worry, okay. What I told? Representation of gaseous electrode. It is very simple. See, we have studied standard hydrogen electrode. In that we have seen, that we are including the inert electrode. We are including the inert electrode. Without including the inert electrode, we cannot do the standard. Without including the inert electrode, we cannot maintain, or we cannot get the answers for the gaseous electrode. So, here what we are doing is, see here what we are doing is, we are writing the inert electrode also, we are writing the gas also. See, as you know, we are writing here anode first, then we are writing here first, then we are writing here cathode, and these two are separated by 2 lines, which we called as a salt bridge. Now, anode means, how to write the anode? If it is a gaseous portion, how to write the anodic portion? See, so for anode, how to write the gaseous electrode representation? First you maintain the inert electrode, that was platinum, we have seen. Then you say the gas, which is the gas, say hydrogen, which is a gas. Gas has pressure, so maintain here pressure. In the previously we are writing the concentration because that was solution. So solution will have a concentration, now but hydrogen is a gas and gas will have a pressure. Then you maintain its active ion, which will be in the form of aqueous. So it has a molarity, say 1 molarity suppose. So this is the representation of a gaseous electrode for anodic portion. For anodic portion. Are you understanding or not? So for cathode, reverse it. For cathode, first you have to write down its active ion, then the molecular formula of gas, and then you have to give its inert electrode remaining as it is 1 atm, or you can say aqueous, or you can say 1 molarity. So this is the representation of a gaseous electrode of anode and cathode. Clear this part? In certain book, they have written here half H2 also. So not a issue. Why, sir? See how hydrogen will undergo H plus plus electron. Oxidation reaction for hydrogen. It will undergo H plus plus electron. How many hydrogen are there? 1. So half. That's why they have written here half. You write down, don't write down, not a issue. You write down, don't write down, not a issue. In certain books it is written, means I am discussing. If you write down here half, if you don't write down here half, not a issue. But if it is written here half also, don't get worried, don't get tension. It's just for showing the number of moles. That's it. Or if this H plus undergo reduction, so it will go like this. H plus plus electron, this is hydrogen, here this is half, means here half. So I can write down here half. Written this. Okay. Now see, we will write down 2-3 examples showing that hydrogen as anode, and in another example we will see that hydrogen as cathode. Let me see the one example. You write down this note first. Fatafat chalo. If you write down, then it will work. Where is it? See, I am writing first example as hydrogen. Write cell representation. Need not to write down, na? This is only for your information I am doing. Write a cell representation E0 H plus H2 equal to 0 volt. E0 I can say that which example we will take, which example, copper. E0 Cu plus 2 Cu equal to 0.34 volt. This is the question they have given, suppose. Clear? Now see, cell representation. Now see beta, first you have to decide which is less. The less portion is anode and more portion is cathode. So this 0 and 0.34 means when there is no sign here, it is considered to be plus. So this is 0 and this is 0.34. So this is less. So this will act as anode and this will act as cathode. Yes or no? Anode, it will undergo oxidation and cathode will undergo reduction. So first we write down the anodic reaction, H2, H plus plus electron, because oxidation, no, half. Cathodic reaction I will write down, Cu plus 2 electron gives Cu. That's it. Now I will write down the cell representation. So this is for the anode and this is for the cathode. So anode, first, as hydrogen is a gaseous electrode, so I cannot write down directly like this, H2 plus H plus, salt bridge Cu plus 2 Cu. Wrong, no. For writing the gaseous electrode, first I have to maintain the inert electrode. If it is given, not given, you have to maintain. So first I write down PT, and it is always PT, not a worry, not a issue. Hydrogen, H plus, yes or no? Hydrogen, H plus. How many hydrogen have? Some, it will be gas, so certain pressure will be there. Now this is in a solution, means certain molarity will be there. Salt bridge, Cu plus 2. This is as it is, which you are writing in the previous slide. Certain molarity. So this is my cell representation of hydrogen electrode as anode. Clear? Write on this. Second part, And if I have done in my previous slide, so you can forward the video and you can directly see the problems, numericals, okay. If you are feeling bored and if you know this, forward the video, because come on to the directly numericals. Write this, now I can write down like this, E0 H plus H2 equal to 0 volt. Another example I will take, where the hydrogen should come more, and that example is Pb. That example is Pb is also best, minus 0.13. Okay. So Pb plus 2 slash Pb equal to minus 0.13. Pb plus 2 slash Pb minus 0. Now this is 0 volt and this is minus 0.3 volt, 113 volt. Who is less? So from this 0 and minus 0.13 volt, this is less. So this is less means this will act as anode and this will act as cathode. Clear? Now first I will write on the anodic portion. So Pb is converting into Pb plus 2 electron. Now I write on the cathode. So cathode means reduction, H plus electron gives H2. Here I write down the half. So I write on the representation. At first will come anode. So Pb is converting into Pb plus 2, salt bridge, then cathode. Now by the cathode is an hydrogen, gaseous electrode. So in gaseous electrode, how I told you, write down the cathodic portion, active ion, its molecule, and inert electron. So active ion is H plus, its molecule and its inert electrode. Here half, this is gas means will be having certain pressure, this is solution means it is certain having the concentration, here also concentration, these are the solid in state. This is your cell representation of hydrogen as anode and hydrogen as cathode, or any gas. Instead of here hydrogen, it can come chlorine also. Suppose see, chlorine also can come, Cl2, Cl minus, yes or no, plus electron, yes or no, or I can write down like this also, Cl minus plus electron gives Cl2, half. So you can write down for this also, first active ion, then gas, then inert electrode. Usually inert electrode will be always platinum, not the issue, don't worry. So for chlorine also you can write down, for bromine also. When the questions comes, you will understand. Clear? Shall I write down this? Shall I go for the questions now? Chalo, we will write down the question and then we will solve the problems. Are you getting my point or not? It is visible? Yes. If it is visible, then it's okay. Chalo. We will solve 5, 5, 6 problem, then I will wind up. Calculate the cell potential of the following cell. Calculate the, write down along with me beta, cell potential of the following cell at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin. So first is Zn slash Zn plus 2 salt bridge, Zn slash Zn plus 2 salt bridge, Cu plus 2 slash Cu, Cu plus 2 slash Cu, and the question is here 0.6 molar here, and here there is a question 0.34. Okay, and E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn equal to 0.76 minus 0.76 volt, and E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu equal to plus 0.34 volt. Clear? Chalo. So this we will see now how to solve. They have told the calculate the cell potential beta, means they ask you to calculate E cell, not a E naught cell. Huh? They have not told standard cell potential, they have just told cell potential. Point number 2, they have given the standard cell potential of each electrode and they have given the concentration. So beta, cell potential, standard cell potential and concentration of the solution, these three comprises of which kind of equation? Nernst equation. Now you know that we are doing the Nernst equation, so the problem will be based on the Nernst equation, you will solve and you will apply directly formula, but in the exam we will get confused. Now, which formula should be applied? So, remember one thing, cell potential, standard cell potential given, this is given, I can calculate now, anode minus cathode, and concentration. When they give you concentration, when they give you the cell potential and when they give you the standard cell potential, please remember this problem belongs to completely Nernst equation. Clear? So, the first we will write down the Nernst equation. So, before writing the Nernst equation, we will write down the net cell reaction, because from the net cell reaction, net reaction only we can write down the Nernst equation. So, first we will see at anode, who will work as an anode. So, see beta, this Zn plus 2 cell potential of this is anode, this is less, this less means anode and this is more means cathode. If not, you can see here first portion is anode, another portion is cathode. At anode oxidation will occur. So, we will write down here at anode Zn forms Zn plus 2 electron Cu plus 2 electron gives Cu. Here number of transfer electron is how many? 2. So, I write down here n equal to 2. Why sir? When I will solve the problem, come to know. 2 electron get cancelled. So, Zn Cu plus 2 Zn plus 2 plus Cu. So, this is my net cell reaction. Based on this, I will write down the Nernst equation. So, Nernst equation says E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log to the base 10 concentration of product. So, who will come on the product? Cu will not come, because concentration of Cu will be 1. Cu is solid, no? Concentration of Zn plus 2 upon concentration of Cu plus 2. This will be our answer. Now, this is n, and n means what? Number of electron transfer. So, I wrote it here 2. Understood why I have wrote here 2 now? Clear? Now, from this we will see E cell we have to calculate, yes. E naught cell we should have. So, I can calculate from here, no? E naught cell, E cathode minus E naught, or E RHS minus E LHS. N we have, Zn plus 2 concentration given, Cu plus 2 concentration given. So, now the target comes E naught cell. So, I will calculate here E naught cell. E naught cell means E RHS minus E LHS, means E cathode minus E anode. But who is at a cathode? Copper. How much for copper? 0.34. This is the minus which is come from the formula itself. Which is the anode? Zinc. And what is the value for zinc? Zn plus 2, that is minus 0.76. So, into bracket minus 0.76. So, answer will be 0.34 plus 0.76. So, the answer will be 0.34 plus 0.76, 1.1. Clear? Now, value put in the equation. So, we have to calculate E cell. E naught cell is 1.1 minus 0.059 upon 2 log to the base 10. Concentration of Zn plus 2 0.6. Concentration of Cu plus 2 0.34. E cell equal to 1.1 minus 0.059 upon n, that is 2, no? Now, see how to solve here. See, first I will divide and then I will find the log. You can find the log from the log book. I will directly find from the calculator and multiply also here. So, see here 0.6 by 0.34, sorry, 0.6 divided by 0.34, this is 1.76. Now, log. So, log I will find out 0.2466. 0.2466. Now, I will do here multiply by this, divide by 2. So, multiply by 0.059 divided by 2. Okay, I get 1.1 minus 0.007276. So, 1.1 minus 0. So, answer come here 1.092 1.092 volt. Let me check. 1.092 volt, correct answer. In this way to solve. A small headache will come here only, in exam also, in board exams. Multiplication, sorry, division, and then you have to find out the log, and log you have to multiply and divide. This is bit clumsy, I know. If you will practice 8 to 10 problems will come to. Here I will solve with the calculator because I don't want to waste your time. Clear? So take a screenshot, copy it, then I'll go for the next question. So this is the second question. See the question first. Understand the question. The following reaction occurs in the cell. So directly they have given the reaction, net reaction. Directly they have given the net reaction, and they have given the E naught cell also, and directly they have given the E cell. So when they have given E naught cell, directly net reaction they have given, so just apply the formula and take the problem. So we will write down the net reaction. Okay, so according to Nernst equation, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log to the base 10 concentration of product that is Mg plus 2 upon concentration of reactant. Now, let us see in the reactant Ag plus is there, yes or no, and this Ag plus is having 2. So, I told you have to put the, in Nernst equation, the number of moles appear before the ion, should be given in the power during writing the reaction, during writing the Nernst equation. In the Nernst equation, if the number of moles are given, or if the number of moles are appeared before the ion in the net reaction, that number of moles should be given in the power during the writing the concentration in Nernst equation. And this I know you have studied in equilibrium chapter, that the number of moles will go in the power form. Just so you put it up now. E naught cell they have given, that is 3.17 minus 0.059 upon n is number of electron 2. You can see here Mg is forming Mg plus 2 electron, then Ag plus electron 2 electron, means there will be transfer of 2 electron. Okay, need not to write down the complete cell reaction. From here only you can determine the number of electrons. Mg plus 2 how much beta? 0.130, and Ag plus is how much? 0.0001 whole square. Okay, so that is 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10. First you have to multiply this 0.001 into 0.001. So see here, without calculator how can solve? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write like this also, 1 10 to the power minus 4. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. You are coming in positive x direction, we have to put minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. In short, 10 to the power minus 4 only, no? On this it is a square. Square means 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4. That is 10 to the power minus 8, not 16. 10 to the power minus 4 and 10 to the power minus 4. Base is same, power is same or different, add. So minus 4 minus 8. And here 0.130. Yes or no? So 3.17 minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10, 0.130 and 10 to the power 8. Yes or no? 0.130 into 10 to the power 8. Clear? Now how to solve this? So simple, no? 0.130 you can solve, no? Log A into B. Here I am doing directly, you do of yourself, into 0.13, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now I will go find the log. Log means 15 time roots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus 1 divided by 0.00007. So I got this answer, log multiply by 0.059 divided by 2. So 3.17 minus 0.209 and means I am rounding off, that is 1. So if you solve this much, you should get the answer 0.21. 0.21. Okay, should get the answer as 0.21. Now just minus it. 3.17 minus 0.21, that is 2.96 volt. Your answer should be 2.96 volt. Clear? So, take it out. Now, see, I will add on the third question and pause the video. You try to solve yourself. Okay? Chalo. Slide of it. Find the value of E cell. I said third question. Find the value of E cell for the cell Zn/Zn plus 2 salt bridge Cd plus 2 / Cd 0.6 0.85. Here you can write down E0 Zn plus 2 / Zn equal to minus 0.76 volt, E0 Cd plus 2 / Cd equal to minus 0.4. Clear? So, find the value of E naught cell. So, first you have to write down the here net reaction, because there in the question they have given the net reaction. First here you have to write down the net reaction, then that from you write down, apply the Nernst equation and then extract the formula. So, pause the video and try to solve the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you have solved and your answer should be nearly 0.36446. Your answer should be 0.36446 volt. Clear? Now, how? We will see this. This problem is bit lengthy. Huh? So, at anode, Zn gives Zn plus 2 electron, and at the cathode, Cd plus 2 electron gives Cd. Clear? N is equal to 2. So, 2 electron gets cell. Zn plus Cd plus 2, Zn plus 2 plus Cd. So, this is your net reaction. Write down the cell potential, Nernst equation. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N. N is 2 here. Log to the base 10. Concentration of product. Product will come here Zn plus 2, that is 0.6 upon concentration of reactant 0.85. E naught cell you can calculate, no beta. So, E naught cell equal to E RHS, that is E cathode minus E anode. Who is your cathode? Cd, that is minus 0.4, minus comes bracket come minus 0.76, minus 0.4 plus 0.76. So, 0.76 minus 0.4, 0.36 volt, 0.36 volt. Clear? Chalo, तो E cell equal to E naught cell equal to 0.36 minus 0.059 by 2 log to the base 10 and 0.6 by 0.85. 0.6 by 0.85. So, your answer comes 0.70588. Okay. So, now see how to calculate the log for this 0.70588. So, here one bar should come, because to calculate the log for 0 point. So, how many 0 before the point, that much bar will come. So, before point there is 1 0 means 1 bar. Okay. Instead, what you do beta, see I will show the calculation. What you do, you write down here like this, log to the base 10 into 0.70588. Log to the base 10, make a 0.1 ahead, 7.0588 into 10 to the power minus 1. Yes or no? If I go ahead, I am going in positive x direction, means minus 1. So log A into B, so log AB, so log to the base 10, 7.0588 plus log to the base 10, 10 to the power minus 1. You calculate the log for this. So point before 7. So before a point there is a one number, so minus 1. So 0 point, you write down here certain 0 point, then open your log book and find 70, find the log 70, in that 70 you see the 5 slot and then you see the 8 difference. Now you should know the log, you should know how to find the log value, okay. And log 10 to minus 1 means here minus 1, because log x to the power n means n log x, this you know, okay. So now I am doing here itself in my calculator, you can see from the log book. So 7.0588, 15 time roots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0.8487. So 0.8487 minus 1. So here minus 1. So answer will be minus 0.1512. So this will be your answer, minus 0.15125. Clear? So log 0.70588, answer will be minus 0.1512. This you should know. So 0.36 minus 0.059 by 2 into minus 0.1512. Please copy out. Or when you will come to the school, I will take 2-3 classes for log. Don't worry. Clear? If I start here, log means nearly 3 classes are required better. So answer is 0.36. Minus minus plus will come here. So 0.059 into 0.1512 by 2. Sorry, 0.059 into 0.1512 by 2, 0.0044604. Just to add 0.36 plus 0.36, 0.364. Yes, 0.36446 volt. Here, write on this. After this, we are going to see the last question, then we will wind up the lecture. Clear? Sure. Done, beta? So the last question we are going to see, and that is based on the standard hydrogen electrode. Find the value of the cell potential. That is same question, cell potential. This is the question. Whatever may be the number, you can write down. CD slash CD plus 2, salt bridge, H plus, here 1 molarity, half H2. Okay, this is gas, and there will be here pressure, that is you can say 1 bar. Okay, again they have given here PT. I told you, no, as I discussed in the last slide. Okay, that's it. This is the question. And CD plus 2, the concentration they have given is 0.02 molar. Okay, they ask you to calculate E cell, and E naught cell for cadmium they have given is minus 0.4 volt. Okay, chalo. So this is your question. We have to find out this. CD slash CD plus 2, H plus and half H2. So means from here it is clearly understood that the cathodic portion is hydrogen electrode, the standard hydrogen electrode. Now one thing you would be wondering, that cell potential, standard cell potential for cadmium they have given, but the standard cell potential for hydrogen they have not given. Why? Because we know that the cell potential for standard hydrogen electrode we are considering to be 0 volt. So when you are considering to be 0 volt, they are not giving. If they are not giving or giving, answer is 0 volt. You have to remember this, okay, constant value. So first write down the net reaction. Chalo. So at anode, that is cadmium, will undergo oxidation, and at the cathode reduction. Number of electron will be 2 here, so here 2 here hydrogen. So n is equal to 2 here. 2 electron, 2 electron. Cd plus 2H plus Cd plus 2 plus H2. Clear this part? Okay. Chalo. Add on the E cell Nernst equation. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log to the base 10 concentration of product. Here product will be Cd plus 2 and concentration of reactant. On the reactant side we have hydrogen H plus, but there is a moles, and I told you when the number of moles will go in the power form. So here H plus will go in the power form. So E cell we have to calculate E naught cell. So E naught cell, that is E cathode minus E anode. Beta cathode is hydrogen, so 0 minus anode is cadmium minus 0.4. Minus minus plus, so 0 plus 0.4, net answer will be 0.4 volt. So E naught cell is 0.4 minus 0.059 upon n. N is number of electron 2 log to the base 10. Cadmium plus 2 is 0.02 upon hydrogen is 1, so whole square. This one. So 0.4 minus here 0.059 upon 2 log to the base 10, 0.02 by 1 square 1 only. Means I will find the log, multiply by this, divide by 2 and minus 0.4. So 0.02. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I got here minus, then I got this answer, I will multiply by 0.059, 0.059, I will be dividing by 2. The answer is 0.4 minus, here answer will come minus 0.05, 0116, okay, minus minus plus, no? So 0.4 plus 0.050116, so plus 0.4 plus 0.050 116, 0.450 volt. 0.450 volt will be your answer. Clear? So this type of the questions are based on the Nernst equation. There are many other questions in your textbook or in your competition book you can solve, and if you have any doubt you can tell me. At the end of the chapter I will make that one video. Thank you.